Whenever you have to fill any form on Wealthsimple, you chat with Wealthsimple and they will send you a link like this where you have to go and sign on the DocuSign. For you to do that, once you click on the DocuSign, you will come to this document page where you will sign in with your name and the email ID which is associated with Wealthsimple. Once you're done with that, you will get an authentication code which you will enter in this access port section, and once then it is done, you go and click continue. Once you do that, you will be on the form whichever you have selected. Here, for example, I'm showing the worthless securities, but whatever form you have, you will have that in front of you. And you see the signature section. This is the one which I'll be showing. The rest of the things I'm sure you would know how to fill. This is the account holder signature part where you will come, click here and do the signature. You click on sign in, you will come to this page. Here check the full name, initials. This is important. You see asterisk here. And once this is done, you have three choices. One is to upload your signature. Basically, you sign on a paper, take a photo, and then upload that here by clicking here. If you want to do digitally, you have this draw option where you can come and do a signature. You see here as I'm showing. And once you're satisfied, you can adopt and sign. If you think you need to make a change, you can just go clear here and then do it again. And once that is done, it will show up in select style. So basically, once this is done, this will digitally get signed.